Welcome back to my channel, Performance Car Fanatics. Today I'm absolutely mind-blown by what I just experienced. The brand new 2025 BMW M5 G90, and let me tell you, this isn't your father's M5. BMW has done something completely revolutionary here that's going to change everything you thought you knew about super sedans. After spending an incredible week pushing this beast to its limits, I'm still processing what just happened. This hybrid monster has literally redefined what fast means. The moment I first saw this new M5 in person, I knew BMW had created something truly special. The aggressive kidney grills are massive and functional, feeding air to both the twin-turbo V8 and the cooling systems. The carbon fiber hood with those dramatic air vents hints at the power lurking beneath, while the quad exhaust pipes promise a soundtrack that'll give you chills. My neighbor actually came outside just to stare when I pulled into my driveway. That's the kind of presence this car commands. Inside, BMW has crafted what feels like a high-tech command center wrapped in luxury. The curved display spanning nearly the entire dashboard is absolutely stunning. Running BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system that responds faster than you can think. The M carbon bucket seats grip you perfectly during aggressive driving, and the Alcantara steering wheel feels so good in your hands that you'll find excuses to drive. The ambient lighting creates this incredible atmosphere during night drives that makes every journey feel special. Here's where things get absolutely insane. This M5 combines a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with an electric motor to produce a jaw-dropping 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. When I first launched this thing from a standstill, the acceleration was so violent, it literally took my breath away. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 3.5 seconds. But the way it keeps pulling all the way to its 155 miles per hour electronically limited top speed is genuinely terrifying. The all-wheel drive system puts all that power down with zero drama. What shocked me most is how this massive sedan handles. The adaptive M suspension and rear-wheel steering make it dance through corners like something half its size and weight. The MX drive system can send 100% of the power to the rear wheels in drift mode. And trust me, I tested this extensively on a closed course. The electronic differential and torque vectoring create handling precision that feels almost supernatural. The hybrid system isn't just for performance either. I managed over 25 miles of pure electric driving around town, making school pickups whisper quiet. The regenerative braking is so smooth you barely notice the transition between electric and friction braking. Starting at $115,000, this M5 delivers supercar performance with luxury sedan practicality. It's the ultimate daily driver that can embarrass dedicated sports cars on weekends. If this review got your heart racing like mine is right now, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification